Ever wonder what a flight experience worth $21 million is like? Well, it's nothing short of luxury when it comes to what the Embraer Praetor 600 has to offer. This super mid-size business aircraft redefines the standards of comfort, technology, and performance. From its class-leading cabin comfort to its remarkable range and agility, the Praetor 600 is designed to enhance your journey and provide exceptional value. So, let's explore the incredible features that make this jet stand out. History. Let's take a step back in time and delve into its fascinating history. This remarkable private jet is the result of years of innovation and expertise from the renowned Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer. The development of the Praetor 600 can be traced back to the Legacy 450, which was Embraer's first foray into the super mid-size business jet market. Building on the success and lessons learned from the Legacy 450, Embraer set out to create an even more advanced and luxurious aircraft, resulting in the birth of the Praetor 600. Embraer unveiled this jet to the world in 2018, showcasing its cutting-edge technology and impressive capabilities. This private jet quickly garnered attention for its exceptional range, spacious cabin, and advanced avionics. Capacity. With its thoughtfully designed layout, this private jet provides ample room for up to 12 passengers. The 6-foot-tall, flat-floor cabin allows for unrestricted movement and relaxation throughout the flight. The intelligently designed seating arrangement ensures each passenger enjoys maximum comfort, whether reclining in plush chairs or transforming them into flatbeds for restful sleep. Cabin. The Praetor 600 sets a new benchmark for cabin comfort. The meticulously designed cabin reflects a harmonious blend of art and functionality. Luxurious materials such as sumptuous leather and refined wood finishes are present throughout the cabin, creating an ambiance of refined elegance. From the meticulously hand-stitched seats to the meticulously crafted cabinetry, every detail has been thoughtfully curated to provide an unparalleled experience of luxury and comfort. The Praetor 600 represents a significant milestone for Embraer, solidifying its position as a key player in the business aviation market. The aircraft combines the company's expertise in design, engineering, and manufacturing, showcasing Embraer's commitment to delivering excellence in every aspect of their aircraft, and their cabin craftsmanship is no exception. Embraer has also paid attention to the acoustic insulation, ensuring a quiet environment for work or relaxation. The Praetor 600's cabin altitude is maintained at just 5,800 feet, even at a cruising altitude of 45,000 feet. This low cabin altitude contributes to a more refreshing and rejuvenating experience, allowing passengers to arrive at their destination feeling relaxed. Furthermore, the jet's turbulence reduction technology ensures a smooth and peaceful flight. The jet also ensures that you remain seamlessly connected throughout your journey. With internet connectivity, you can enjoy high-speed internet access. Whether you need to attend virtual meetings, stream media, or browse the web, the Praetor 600's advanced connectivity capabilities have you covered. But connectivity is not the only technological marvel within the cabin. The Honeywell Ovation Select Cabin Management Suite elevates the in-flight entertainment experience to new heights. Immerse yourself in a world of high-definition entertainment with full HD TV streaming, offering crystal-clear visuals that bring movies, shows, and sporting events to life. The Praetor 600 offers more than just a luxurious interior. It also provides ample space for your belongings. With its generous baggage capacity, this private jet ensures that you can bring everything you need for your journey. The jet features dedicated storage areas designed to accommodate various sizes and types of luggage, from suitcases to sports equipment. Customization options. Embraer goes the extra mile to ensure that your private jet experience is tailored to your preferences. Embraer's commitment to personalization ensures that each Praetor 600 is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, delivering an elevated travel experience that aligns perfectly with your vision and desires. Engine specifications. Now, let's turn our attention to the impressive engine specifications of this plane. This aircraft is equipped with two Honeywell HTF7500E turbofan engines, each delivering an impressive 7,528 pounds of thrust. The combination of power and efficiency allows the Praetor 600 to achieve a maximum speed of 630 miles per hour. Since its introduction, this aircraft has received widespread recognition and numerous accolades within the aviation industry. Its innovative features and outstanding performance have impressed both owners and operators alike, solidifying its reputation as a leader in the super midsize segment. One of the standout features of the Praetor 600 is its exceptional range. With a range of approximately 4,500 miles, this aircraft is capable of transoceanic flights. Moreover, its outstanding performance enables it to operate from challenging airports with shorter runways, opening up more point-to-point destinations for travelers. The plane not only boasts impressive features and capabilities, but has also earned prestigious certifications and accolades within the aviation industry. These certifications serve as a testament to the aircraft's exceptional performance, safety, and compliance with rigorous standards. The Praetor 600 received certification from the Federal Aviation Administration and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, ensuring its compliance with the highest safety regulations. These certifications validate the aircraft's design, construction, and systems, providing peace of mind to operators and passengers alike. Furthermore, this aircraft holds additional certifications, including steep approach capability, allowing it to access challenging airports with shorter runways and steep approaches. This capability significantly expands the number of airports available for its operations, offering greater flexibility and convenience to passengers. The advanced engines and aerodynamic design contribute to reduced fuel consumption and lower carbon footprint, demonstrating Embraer's commitment to environmental responsibility. Building upon the success of its predecessor models, the Praetor 600 surpasses expectations with its remarkable range and agility. It effortlessly connects major cities across the globe, enabling faster and more convenient travel for business and leisure purposes. Moreover, its superior design, incorporating sleek lines and advanced aerodynamics, enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. The Praetor 600 sets a new standard in commute efficiency, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable travel experience while minimizing environmental impact. Cockpit. Before we move on to the amazing cockpit of this jet, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on the latest and greatest in the world of luxury. Now, let's step into the advanced cockpit of the Embraer Praetor 600, where technology and ergonomics converge. The Rockwell Collins ProLine Fusion flight deck sets the stage for an intuitive and efficient piloting experience. Embraer's dedication to continuous improvement is evident in the Praetor 600 as the company continues to refine and enhance its capabilities. With each iteration, Embraer strives to push the boundaries of what is possible in private jet travel, ensuring that the Praetor 600 remains at the forefront of innovation and customer satisfaction. The jet's well-thought-out cockpit reflects both these aspects. The cockpit features state-of-the-art avionics and displays, providing pilots with exceptional situational awareness and safety. The dark and quiet cockpit environment helps reduce pilot fatigue and workload. The integration of advanced weather radar systems, synthetic vision technology, and auto throttles empowers pilots to navigate the skies with confidence, even in challenging weather conditions. Cost. Let's explore the cost of owning and operating the Embraer Praetor 600. While private jets are often associated with high prices, this private jet offers a compelling value proposition. A new Praetor 600 has a list price of slightly under $21 million, making it an attractive option for its remarkable performance, spacious cabin, and advanced technology. In terms of operational costs, the Praetor 600 stands out as well. With its exceptional efficiency and reduced fuel consumption, it ensures lower operating expenses compared to other private jets in its class. While charter costs may vary, it is estimated to be around $8,000 per flying hour. Additionally, considering its rarity with only 38 aircraft in operation, pre-owned examples can be challenging to find. The Embraer Praetor 600 has redefined the standards of luxury and performance in the world of private jets. With its unparalleled cabin comfort, remarkable engine specifications, cutting-edge cockpit technology, and attractive cost proposition, it offers an extraordinary flying experience for both business and leisure travelers. If you want to know more about such amazing jets, click here to see inside the $10 million Embraer Phenom 300E. See you there in a second.